Good morning, afternoon, and evening to everyone. Thank you so much for being here. I'm really excited to share something that I believe is going to be an incredible valuable for you or something you know. Today, we are going to talk about the program that is Data, AI, and Analytic Program. The program is designed that will help an individual to organize and stop guessing and start working smartly with the help of data driven decision. So let me drive you all into it. When I'm talking about transformation the data into decision, this is a program that is organized, has a proper tool framework, and handovers you with a proper skill of full of power that will turn your raw information to a strategic information. Whenever we are thinking that why should we take to data, or let me make my words more clear, whenever we are focusing on the word problem, let's start questioning and start thinking honestly. How many times has your team made a decision based on your gut feeling when you know the data you're sitting somewhere but you just couldn't access them and understand it in the time? This is a reality based business problem. Data is everywhere, but the ability to use it effectively is rare. So, what is our task? Our task is to organize the data in such a way that information is not only trapped in a department, but we are able to access it without misusing and access it using right tools and skill. When I'm talking about right tools and skill, we need to understand how are we taking the decisions for analyzing this long data. The cost of this needs to be considered because that will affect the revenue. And it might be a scenario that due to improper access or lack of accessing the data, we have missed the opportunity and we have fall behind the competitor. So this is exactly the problem that we are built to solve. So what do we understand? We understand that whenever we are focusing on data that isn't working with us, we will be having lots of potential holdout. So we need to understand how are we going to fragment it, and fragmentations can be done with various ways, like you are using CRM, you are using an ERP tool, you are using spreadsheets. We need to talk about each other in such a way that we are making a decision of the picture without creating an issue of duplication and handling the cost of error. Whenever we see and we are not able to handle the data properly, there will be always a scenario that the opportunities that are hidden behind it or undetected customer behavior are misunderstood and market opportunity are missed. So to make the things more robust, we have to stand in this competitive world. Talent might be an issue. We might be having a scenario where we are having gaps in our skills. So we need to understand how this effective way we are organizing and empowering ourselves based on our gut decisions will help us not only to make the work more speedily but with a proper accuracy. Now, whenever we focus or whenever we ask, what is exactly data, AI, and analytic program? So, to put this in front of you in a very structural way, I can say this is a way by which how hand-on experience are provided through tools, knowledges that will give you a confidence in working. As a competitive world, you need to understand that you're not only upgrading your skills, but you have to stand in the market and the needs of the market. So there are three basic most important pillars that you need to understand: data, AI, and analytics. When I talk about data, you need to understand it should be clear, understandable, and manageable data. When I talk about AI, you need to understand how are you going to apply this artificial intelligence to solve the real world problem. And when I use the word analytics, analytics turns the numbers into stories that will help you to drive the action. So yes, this is a practical and relevant industrial area where we need to design to deliver the results, and that too very fast. Now let's focus on what are the program highlights that will be covered. Whenever I'm talking about program highlights, you need to understand you're going to build a system that will be having real-time analytics. Real-time analytics with various master tools like Power BI, Tabular, and real-time business intelligence. We will be having a customization dashboard that will make a proper interaction to organization KPI. This will make your portfolio ready to deliver with immediate deployed output. Hands-on project will be a icing on the cake that will help you to exercise and update your portfolio and make you understand how are you going to scale up the employees, stakeholders, and peers. AI powered skills will be available that will not only help you to predict the model with natural processing and computer vision, but this will also make your data more automated. Expert mentorship will be provided that will help you for mentoring session, live question answers, offline hours that will help you to build a proper industrial actual thinking. Certification, as you know, is an ISKCON certified program that will be validated and experienced and provide an open doors for new roles and promotions. When you're talking about what is this program all about, we can also say that we can divide this into our 5 major areas. Like first, real-time analytics. You'll understand and work with live data, generate skills, and give on-the-spot output without a day later. Second, AI-powered tools that will help you to work on online experience or hand-on experience with AI tools, companies. Customized dashboard, well, that makes you sense how business believes how leaders are with visual, clear, and actionable output. Expert mentorship is there where you won't be learning alone, but you will be having industrial people who will be guiding you with every step of your way. And fifth comes your real world project where you will be understanding how you should apply, how you should fulfill, and how practically the things work. When I'm talking about this program, let's understand who all are the people who can enroll themselves to this recognized program that is not a longer optional, but it is a skill for modern enterprise. So we need to understand that we are making a decisions that will make a product and help us to manage the data. So when I'm saying who is this for, you might be wondering, is it for me? So let me exactly make you understand how is this work designed. It is if you are a business leader who is wanted to make a smart and faster decision, this is for you. If you are a data or analytic profession looking to scale up your work, yes, this is for you. If you are a product manager who wants to understand the behavior through data, this is for you. And if you're someone who is simply wants to make their future proof for your career in the world that runs on the data, this is for you. So this is not one single profile, for this is an ambiguous and crucial you belong over here. Now let's understand what it will be transformed. So when I'm saying what it will be transforming, I'm making you understand that what exactly changes will this program bring to you. So let's understand the before and after effect. You might be feeling overwhelmed by data. You rely on others to interpret it, and decision takes too long, and oftenly you miss the task. So what is an after effect after enrolling to this course? You will be walking in the room with confidence. You will read the data set, you can spot the trends, you can present your skill and move people to action. When you are beginning with someone who has the data to someone whose data is a superpower, that will be we. So this transformation is what your program delivers. What are you going to learn? How was the curriculum? So let me give you a quick look of what is the curriculum. You start with strategy management, which will be working with the structures, govern data in an organization. Then you will be moving slowly to machine learning fundamentals, where you will be understanding how AI actually works. without the need of computer science degree. Then you will be exploring to data visualization, where you will be having various Power BI and tabular communications. This is how you will be covering the AI tools and practices, including the use of latest AI technologies to automate and enhance your workflow. And if we wrap up with the capstone project, where you're going to begin together in a real world scenario, by the end you should know the theory and you have done the work. Let's focus on the social proof. How are we talking about the successful stories? Now, I know what you might be thinking. What does this actual works? So let me make you all self more clear with respect to numbers and stories. Over 5,000 professionals has worked through this program and transformed their careers. One of our learners, a marketing manager with zero technical background, went on to her company, enter a data analytic function, and within the 6 months of completion of the program, another leader with 30% of salary increased after adding the skills to their resume. They aren't an outline, but this is a kind of outcome where consistency matters because program is built on your real world results. What sets this program apart? Why choose us? So why choose us? This program is over dozens of others out of there. So you might be thinking, oh, there are so many programs in the market. Why should I go for this? Why should I go to your program? Because it not only teaches you, but it transforms. Our instructors are active industrial professionals. They're not just academics. They bring real world problem into the classroom. Our projects are portfolio ready. So it will guarantee you that the skills that you have is just not a certificate, but it will support you for community to make the learners, the alumni to grow together. And yes, this is a certified organizational recognized program with top companies. So when you invest in this program, your investment is completely ecosystem built around your success. And the journey starts today. So when I say and the journey starts today, it's a call of action. So here what I want you to do next. Don't wait. The world of data and AI is moving very fast. Every day you delay is the day someone else is getting ahead. So you register today, get a free discovery call with our team. They'll simply reach out to you to learn more. The links are right. It's on the screen. Take a screenshot. Take some time if you have heard about us. Take a moment, go to the market, see the data evaluations and evaluations taking place. And this is the right time to take a decision. So when I'm talking about take a future with MSM grad, before I let go, I want you to leave with one more thought. Completing a program is a huge step. For those who feel the fear, or for those who feel the fire and wants to go even deeper and true master the space of graduation level, we want you to introduce to our MSM grad. MSM grad is an ever industrial ready, educational meet, real world impact program. It is a program that is designed to driven professionals who don't just want to learn the data and AI, but they want to lead it. Think of it as a natural next chapter for your journey. If this is a program gave you the foundation, MSM grad gives you the architecture to build something extraordinary on top of it. So if you are ready to take your expertise to a next level, to earn a recognized graduate credentials, and to join the community of future leader in data and AI, MSM grad is the next step. You will get all the details. Once you have got all the details, we are waiting to see you up here. And thank you so much for giving your time. And if anyone has any questions, we are always there to reach out. Thank you everyone and welcome to the family.